everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will be reviewing the new blush launch by one of my favorite brands, Kay Beauty. This time they've come up with Velvet Dream Multi-Use Blushes and it is launched in a total of 4 shades and I do have 2 of them. So in today's video, I will be trying them, reviewing them, doing a full-on dissection of these products so that I can give you my honest opinion on whether these blushes are worth investing or not. So without any further ado, let's get started. So the shade that I'll be applying first is the shade Soften, and it is a beautiful salmon pink kind of a color, and as you can see, I have been using it for quite some time now. In fact, this is the shade that I wore a lot in this whole Diwali season. So yeah, it will be fun reviewing it. So yeah, let's get started. On one side of the cheek, I'll be applying it using my hands, and on the other side, I'll go with the brush so that we can see a lot of pigment. So yeah, let's just start blending it real fast. Okay, so you can see that the pigmentation is pretty intense and the formula is very creamy, like the way it blended. And because the formula is nice and creamy, it feels comfortable to apply using fingers. This is how the first coat looks like. I want to build on it a little bit, so I'm just taking very little product more because it's just very high on pigmentation, and then I'll blend it. So it's easy to apply, it's easy to blend, and it's easy to build, right? On the other side, I'm using a brush, so the application with brush is also very easy, and also it's like a lot more natural and easygoing with a brush. Like if I compare it from this side, I would say this side is giving me a more natural looking flush. So this is the application so far, and I'll definitely build on it a little more. Okay, so I've applied the blush on both the sides, and this is the one with hands and this is the one with brush. I definitely feel that the brush application is so much more better, natural and diffused than this one with hands. So although you can use your hands to blend it, I would say that you prefer using a brush for a more natural application. So we're done with the application, and now let's talk about the most prominent thing about this blush. So this is a blush that applies as a creamy blush but ends up in a matte powdery finish. So this is the beauty of this blush, that it gives you the comfort of a cream blush when you apply it. Especially it feels very creamy, very balmy, and it kind of gives that blurring effect, but the end result is not creamy, it's soft matte. So I think this is the kind of USP that this blush has, that which I don't think any other blush in the market, especially in the Indian market, has till now. So yeah, I mean, they've done like a really good job with this blush, and I love how pigmented it is. I love how comfortable it is. Like, I am a dry skin person, and especially by this time, by November and December approaching, my skin gets extremely dry. So if I put anything which is not hydrating or moisturizing on my skin, it just shows. But yeah, these blushes, they are quite hydrating in the sense that I did not apply any moisturizer, or I've not prepped my skin today. But still, this blush looks very nice and very balmy, soft on my face. So yeah, I think Kay Beauty has done a very good job with these blushes. Now these blushes are available in a total of 4 shades. The 2 shades belong to the lighter category. Like, this is the one which I've tried, it's called Soften. Then there is a shade called Tender, which is like belonging to the same pink peach category. Then there are 2 shades, Deepen and Awaken, which are quite intense But the claim of the brand is that these shades are so beautifully made that irrespective of your complexion, you can try whichever shade and it's going to look amazing on you. So, like, in all honesty, I have this shade Awaken with me, which is so freaking dark and intense. Like it's literally so maroonish. So I am scared of putting it on my cheeks, but because they are so confident in saying that it will suit you, it will suit you, I'm going to try it. Let's do it. But this shade I'll apply using brush only. Like, I can't risk fingers with this one. So yeah, I'm a little nervous, I'll be honest. That's a lot of color on my cheeks, especially on this side. So I'm trying to blend it, hoping to make it work. Because if this doesn't work, it will actually look clownish. The right side still looks pretty decent to me, but on this side, I think I'll have to take out the blender. And you just see it in the mirror. Okay. It's a lot of work, honestly. Okay, so what you're seeing is this shade Awaken on my cheeks, and it is pretty intense. I mean, I did not know how it will look on my cheeks. अगर मुझे पता होता ना, so I would have reduced the quantity by half. Like, I'm not saying it's looking bad, but since it's a lot of product, it is definitely looking a little clownish. So yeah, you can use this color. I mean, if you like using this kind of shade, you can definitely go for it. Just make sure that you do the quantity control, because if you apply more, then it's very difficult to balance it. Like, I've tried really hard using a blender and everything, but still there's a lot of color on my cheeks. And trust me when I say this, the camera captures only 80% of the pigment. Like, when I see myself in the mirror, the pigment is a lot more than what you can see over here. So yeah, in all honesty, I wouldn't say that this is my shade, or this is the first blush I would pick if I'm going somewhere, but it is definitely a color that you can experiment with. Also, if you are someone whose complexion is quite deep and you feel that blush shades like this, they don't show on your skin, you can definitely, I mean 100%, you can try these shades because they will look very nice. I mean, the whole hue is going to match the complexion really well. And yeah, I think in that criteria also, these blush shades will stick. So I wore this softened shade of the blush when I was doing my Karwa Chauth makeup, and that makeup I did around like 3 in the afternoon, and it remained intact till good 9-10 in the night, because I did not remove my makeup throughout the day. We did the evening puja, then we did the Chand Dekhne wali puja, then we went out for dinner, and when I came back home, it was pretty much there. I wouldn't say 100%, but yeah, good 60-70% of the blush was pretty much there. So talking about the wear time, these blushes, the wear time is very nice. It's very good. So this was all from my side today for the K Beauty Velvet Dream Multi-Use Blushes. This was an unsponsored, brutally honest review, and I strive to make these reviews so that I can give you my honest opinion on whether to invest in these products or not, because I feel that the market is overly saturated, and it's very important to know the truth, the black and white truth of a product. And yeah, that's what I aim for. So yeah, I really hope that you found this video useful. Whatever your feedback is, do write it in the comment section below. I'll see you again with a new video. Until then, bye bye, take care, and lots of love.